Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I created my little 3-bunny family. Every family has one little bunny that is just out of control, and this little bunny family is no different. This is what you're going to need to create a bunny similar. One of these paint it yourself bunnies, one of the ornament bunnies, a headband with one of the peeps on it, a microfiber cloth, and some Jenga blocks just for. All those items were purchased at the Dollar Tree. The first thing I did was I traced out on a piece of cardstock the ornament bunny, and then I cut it out. Next, I got my microfiber cloth and I traced that bunny out. And then I cut it. Next, I got some Mod Podge and I covered the bunny, but I did it actually on the other side so I didn't have to paint it. And I added the microfiber cloth, and then I laid it upside down and put something heavy, no judgment, we're having company, on top so that it would, my hands were free. I Mod Podged the cardstock onto the ornament bunny. Once all the Mod Podge was dry, I trimmed the larger bunny because the fur was a little bit out of control. Then I took 4 Jenga blocks, and with some wood glue, I glued 2 of them together on the short ends. And once those were dry, I painted it with moss chalk paint, but I only painted 3 sides. I didn't do the long end on both of them. Then I took a Pom Pom from the Dollar Tree. This is the one that has the little glittery things on it. I cut off all the glittery things. I actually cut the Pom Pom in 4s, made a little ball, added some fishing line, and onto a silicone mat, I put it together, and I created noses for my bunnies, and I also added googly eyes to the 2 bunnies. I made sure that I didn't cover up the very bottom of that bunny, and I'm gluing the wood to it, the base, and I'm clamping it. And once that was set, while that was setting, I put the peep bunny with the spring still on it on the other piece with some hot glue. And here you can see I used a lot of hot glue because I want that to stay for forever. And then I clamped both pieces onto the bunny until the wood glue set. And then I glued my mommy bunny on the front. I gave everybody some ribbons and bows, and here we see the bunny is just dancing away, all happy. And the mom and dad bunny are just doing the eye like, oh gosh, does this kid ever sit still? I hope you enjoyed my project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't a subscriber, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.